Welcome. Quarter 1 result update. Buy, profit from it. Sole purpose of this update is education. Before buying or selling, check the data thoroughly. Latest result of CRISIL, the company from other financial services industry, has just announced. Overall, finance is a big industry. Other financial services has also grown by 15% CAGR during last 2 decades. This sector consists of companies from finance, that is stock market companies included, rating agencies and financing. So there are around 160 listed companies, but none of these companies from these other financial services are in Nifty 50. Current year demand has been muted, aligning with the global recession. Today, let us discuss about CRISIL. CRISIL is owned by S&P Global Inc., world famous. CRISIL is a very good company for long-term investment and recommended wealth creator. So since 2001, company has grown tremendously as revenue and net profit has grown from just 50 crore and 10 crore during 2001 to today 1800 crore and 300 crore respectively. So this is the growth of 20% CAGR, huge growth. So today's profit are 7 times more than yesterday's revenue. Good. Investment is already 70 times during last 2 decades, along with 5 times more dividends received than the invested amount. This is wealth. 50% of the profits are distributed in dividends. Yes, they distribute dividend every quarter. So this is a debt-free, high-margin company and one of the best in the terms of return on paid-up equity. Since last 10 years, growth has been muted as profit has grown by just 6% CAGR, and so CRISIL is also in correction mode. So as we can see, after the good rally from 40 to 2500, since last 5 years, CRISIL is in correction mode. It is moving in the range of 1100 to 2400. As it is an MNC, they declare their H1 results right now when in India Q1 results have been announced. So current year sales have grown by 11%. This is included their newly acquired Greenwich company. Their net profit has grown by 8% respectively. So overall, we can say as expected. All those holding since a long time can add as at least degrowth which we have seen since last 2 years have stopped. New buying gain can be done during any type of correction in the whole range of 1600 to 1200. During this range, yield will be better, right? Initially, we have decided to buy near 1250. But as the results are improving, yes, we can upgrade our buying range from initially 1250 to now 1600 to 1200 range. Right? Bought during this range should be able to see target of 2200 next year itself. And yes, it's a candidate for multi-year rally. But when we will see multi-year rally? Once global economy get better. Right? LIC just bought 9500 shares during November 2017 at 1800. A share that has helped, we know, the great Rakesh Jhunjhunwala create good wealth as he still hold around 40 lakh shares worth around 600 crore of net worth. Our previous buying near 1300 or even new buying in the range of 1600 to 1200 can be more fruitful than LIC. 67% strong promoter holding, 6% FIIs, 12% mutual fund and insurance companies along with Yeah, we can't forget 5% Rakesh Wise holding. Right? So everything's good. No need to be highly aggressive. Just can continue doing SIP if you are doing SIP here. Right? So this was all about your CRISIL. Other companies from the same sector like ICICI Securities and some companies will be posting result. We will be discussing during that time. Hope this result will help you. Again, disclosure before buying or selling, check your data. So thank you so much and Jai Hind from Profit from It.